Welcome to Easy Software. In this video, we are going to see how to do stock adjustment in Easy Software. To correct an item stock by adding and subtracting when we need, this stock adjustment screen is useful to us. Now let us see how to do stock adjustment. Go to stock menu. In this, you can see stock adjustment command. Click that. In this, it has the item names with date and we can select them. Now let us do stock adjustment entry. Now we have selected date 5. Press enter key. Type the item code. Next, type the item name. Decide whether you are going to add that item or less that item, and then according to that select add or less. Now let us select add. Press enter key. Now quantity. Type the quantity that how much you are going to add. Next press enter. Now it comes to the next line. In the next line, if there are any item need to be stock adjusted, select that item. Now let us type one more item. Now for this item, we will select less. In this, type the quantity, how much you are going to less. Next, press enter. Now it goes to the next line again. If the process is done, leave the item code empty and press enter, and leave the item name empty and press enter. It will ask, are you finished the item selection? Again press enter. It will go to the remarks column. If you need to type anything regarding this stock adjustment, you can type the content here. Now for example, less in stock, like that, what is the reason? You just type the reason. Now again press enter. It will ask whether to save it. Again press enter. It will get saved. Now again the screen appears. Refresh. If you want to see the stock adjustment entries, click the view adjustment button. It will display the adjustment entry you have done in today's date. If you need to see the old entries, you can see it by selecting the from and to dates. For example, if you want to see what are all the adjustments we have done from date 1 to date 5, select the date and click view button. Now you can see dates 5, 4, 3. Likewise, in each date we have done adjustment entries. Altogether displays here. Next, if you want to export the stock adjustment entry, click Export Excel. Now, if you click Export Excel, this content directly comes to Excel. In Excel, the stock adjustment entries which you have done directly exported here. You can take these details as a printout from Excel or you can send it in mail. Stock adjustment screen is not only for this, but in some companies for stock maintain purpose, they sell an item for wholesale and also for retail. They keep one name for wholesale and another name for retail selling. In this purpose, to adjust the retail stock from whole stock, this stock adjustment screen is useful for us. Now let us see how the stock adjustment entries which we have done is posted in stock ledger. Now close this. Now in stock menu, click stock ledger. In this, we have entered in January month 5th date. Let us select that date only. Now select view. Now the item which we have added in stock adjustment shows the in quantity 12. Next we less this item, so it shows the out quantity 50. Now let us see how this shows in stock tracking entry. Click this and press enter key. In date 5 stock adjustment, we have lessened the sodium acetate 50 kg. Before this, the total stock was 392. Now 50 kg have lessened and shows 342. So like this, To correct the stock more and less, if you entry in stock adjustment screen, the stock gets adjusted according to that. Hope you guys enjoy this video. See you in another video. Thank you.